Welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. My name is Kyle Jaggers. I am the Operations Manager and the Senior International Trainer at London Management Centre. These videos have been inspired by our delegates and clients. They ask us questions and our aim is to give answers to a range of questions, and hopefully if someone else is watching, then there's an added bonus for them. We are often asked, what steps should I take to achieve personal development and career advancement? Well, today I'm going to present Essential Career Skill Set, which consists of training solutions that will guarantee your professional progress and success. The first step for personal advancement is strengthening and shaping up your communication and interpersonal skills. One of the biggest challenges in achieving corporate objectives is communicating them internally. And this is why 70% of change project fails, innovation ideas aren't realised, and relationships break down. Please do not mistake talking or speaking with communication training. Communication training allows you to formulate your thoughts and ideas clearly, enhance your engagement both with management and peers, and examine corporate communication etiquette and build effective relationships. Every communication training can be advanced with presentations and negotiation skills, two unavoidable skills for every professional. First, presentation skills. It's not just about designing slides for visual support. Presentation skills is about knowing your audience, keeping their attention, interest, and their desire, and ensuring the message has been received, understood, and that action can be taken. Negotiation skills is not just getting the best deal. It is often understanding and listening to your opposite, finding the best mutual solution in a given situation, and developing outcomes that lead to win-win. And one more skill I would like to add before moving on is assertiveness. Assertiveness is essential in achieving both career success and work-life balance. The second stage in our essential career skill set is management training. As your career progresses, the way you manage your department, your approach, your team dynamics, how you analyse performance issues, these will define your success. Effective management builds with experience. It is a journey that requires time and commitment. Therefore, we recommend starting with the basic management training. You will be introduced to the concepts of management, and there you will find your unique style. If you enhance your skills with team management solutions, it will take you to a higher level. And as you go further up your career ladder, you can always upgrade the skills with advanced management training. The last, but by no means least, is leadership training. If you want personal increase, better results, and higher performance, and you want more time, money, add value, the solution is leadership training. Regardless of your position, your goal is to lead and create leaders. To do this, you need to have a clear idea of where you're going and also how you're going to get there. Leadership training is going to be your personal guide to motivate and inspire others. By watching this video, you're already one step closer in achieving personal success. Always remember, start with your communication and interpersonal skills, then advance your management and leadership style as you progress. Thank you very much for your attention. Please feel free to send us more questions and we will endeavour to answer them. Subscribe to our channel and you can follow us on social media. Thanks.